Katat biludi mata kasi kalap pulang ya ka consultation meeting na ni ka jalang manya pelu jumut halo ka jeng Pynbha ba ka jepne ya ka Surok nadu umyam hadu asam hadu malidor ka ba ka jeng jaga kalau ngadu Kumba sis pa san 4 kilometer tam kini ka jeng Pynbha ya ka Surok ka kentok bru ya ka benta jong ka East Bat West Central District ka man paisir asam ba ka jeng mang man Pynbha ya ka ni ka Surok ka pa hadu Kumba arpu Hajar Klur kini kalau ngkat kumjia tu jeng ba preston tensang menteri beri pek ya ka tat biludi Lyngba kan ke komiti na ptharu ye ke bos njat district apo ri bai bakin thong ye ka komiti ka bakin thop ye ke tat kam ke ba phe kum juru thong ye ke ba komiti ni ke komiti apo central district.
We have a brief consultation and review the status of the survey of National Highway connect the road connecting from Umyam Marapani up to the border of Assam in Malidor. Okay. So today we call all the concerned departments. We discuss along with NHISM because NHISM is the company who has taken over for construction of this 4-lane road, starting, as I said, from from that flyover of Umyam Marapani and up to the border Assam, border Meghalaya, border Assam up to Madrid. So the distance, the total length of this road is more or less about 150 or 60 kilometers. So we discussed everything, and now I have instructed the respective deputy commissioner to have a dedicated district committee by involving all the officers of each department be part of the members and along with the NHM. So now East Khasils we already have a committee. Ribhoi district we already have a committee. Now I instructed West Jainti Hills and East Jainti Hills. They are going to constitute this similar committee for this important project, which is very, very important for the state of Meghalaya.
How much fund has been sanctioned for this project?
See, the project is huge because this one it goes down up to Silchar, and it I think more or less is about maybe 22,000 crores.
What is the
project?
Length? What is the length? How many kilometers?
No, the length of see for us from starting from Parapani, it's about 160 or 170 kilometers. My concern is only for Meghalaya, but beyond that, then again, government of Assam is taking off with the NHS.